Hi, I'm Pat Goodwin with Pat Goodwin Associates. The question for me today is how to give up job satisfaction for a higher salary. And once you've made the decision that you are willing to give up job satisfaction for a higher salary, then I would encourage you to take a look at what is it that you can do in your skill set, what is it that you're willing to do, and then what type of business do you feel like that you would fit into. So you have been, as I understand the question, you've been satisfied in your job, you're just not making enough money. There's a lot of people in that position, so they are willing to give up a little job satisfaction to make more money, and in order to make more money, the requirements sometimes are a little bit different from the job description. So you may increase your job requirements. You may find that you are working a number of hours that are a little bit longer than what you've had before. You may find that the place and the culture of that organization is not as compatible with what you've been doing before. But based on your skills and the value that you bring, they would like to hire you, and you have made the mental adjustment and the attitude adjustment that you're going to do the job, you're going to do whatever it takes to do the job, and your reward, your personal reward, is a higher salary. So there's a transfer or a sacrifice that you make from giving up 100% of job satisfaction to making a higher salary. But it is attainable and it is doable. And it all begins with your expressing the value that you bring, being able to adjust mentally and with an attitude of going into that job with a positive attitude and a can-do attitude that I can do this job, I am going to do this job, and the reward for me is financial satisfaction.